Transfer factors. Let me see what science says about this. Offered by the United States National Library of Medicine. PubMed has already collected more than 48,000 scientific articles related to transfer factors. They are not vitamins, minerals, medicines, or herbs. Transfer factors are molecules extracted from bovine colostrum, an egg yolk, that transfer immunological knowledge from one cell to another. They teach your immune system to recognize potential threats, respond to them, and remember them. More thales. Cattle, chickens. What do you mean? Reason with me. These animals are interacting with the environment around them. Natural challenges, such as climate variations, pathogens present in the soil and vegetation, including microorganisms present in nature. These challenges stimulate the animal's immune system to deal with all the invisible threats around them. Transfer factors are like databases that store all this extraordinary concentration of powerful defense information. And just as shells produce pearls, but pearls are not shells, transfer factors, even if extracted from colostrum and eggs, are neither colostrum nor eggs. Only the bioactive element is extracted from them, which brings with it all the immunological knowledge, which is accumulated throughout that animal's life, without this harming its well-being in any way. But let's follow the journey of transfer factors through the body, as they increase the IQ of your immune system. The pill travels to the stomach where it dissolves. Transfer factor molecules are released and travel to the intestine. There they find clusters of cells, called Peyer plaques, a strategic point full of immune cells. And this is where transfer factors, like educating your immune system. Transfer factors don't have favorites. They support different types of immune cells, such as natural killer cells, B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, macrophages, among others. When a transfer factor encounters an untrained immune cell, it goes in and teaches, leaving it ready to recognize, respond, and remember threats. Meanwhile, an incredible phenomenon happens. These newly trained cells produce more transfer factors, and like an army of spies sharing sensitive information, these newly trained immune cells move through the body, educating other cells along the way. They don't stop until they reach the lymph node, which is a concentrated source of immune system cells, where they work quickly to transfer knowledge to your immune system. In a short time, this transfer of immunological knowledge spreads throughout your body until your entire natural defense system is fortified, becomes more wise and vigilant, taking you to the level of immunity that redefines all your expectations. For me, it was more than clear, I need these transfer factors, but they must cost a lot, because in a conversation with professionals in the field, they showed me that other ways of boosting the immune system cost over $8,000. And it still has the chance of coming with harmful side effects. If transfer factors do everything we saw here, and it is a chemical-free solution, you should already know that the more natural it is, the more expensive it is. I no longer had any hope of using a business like that, because it would certainly be much more expensive. And here comes the most shocking information in this video. A product loaded with transfer factors costs less than a consultation with an immunology specialist. This is only possible because in 1997, a man named David Lisonbee acquired the patent for the process for extracting transfer factors from bovine colostrum, before it fell into the hands of an industry there. David Lisonbee, together with his wife Bianca Lisonbee, founded 4Life 1 year ago. The American multinational, known as the Immunity Company, is the only one in the world that for 25 years has held the patent for the method of extracting transfer factors.